Good morning students, welcome to the English class. Today we will discuss the first essay of your book Woven Words, and the name of the essay is My Watch, and it is written by the famous writer Mark Twain. Okay, and before proceeding towards the essay, let us know about Mark Twain first of all. So the author Mark Twain was born on November 30, 1835. Okay, so this is his date of birth, and at Florida he was born. Okay, his real name was Samuel Clemens, and at the age of 4 the Clemens family moved 35 miles east to the town of Henry. Means his actual name was Samuel Clemens. Okay, and this might be his pen name. Then when he was of 4 years, then his family had to move 35 miles away towards the east at Hayward. Earlier they were living at Florida. There he has got birth also, but due to some reasons they have to move here. And his father was a judge, and he was died, means father. His father died of pneumonia when Clemens was of 12 years. Okay, means at the age of 12 he has lost his father also. Okay, so this is all the introduction of the author Mark Twain. Now let us discuss the story, the essay My Watch, and it is an experience of the author. Means he was having a watch, and for a few time it has given a perfect time, but after some time it just moved fast, and when he just took his watch to get it repaired to the watch jobber, then the watch got repaired and it became slow. So this sort of struggle the author has to face. Let us see what kind of problem he has faced in the complete essay. Okay, let us see. So students, as you know that the name of our first essay is My Watch, and it is written by Mark Twain. Okay, and it is basically related to the wristwatch. Okay, so now I will explain you the whole lesson. So let us see. The author is saying that my beautiful watch was going well without making its speed slow or fast since 18 months. Means the author was quite satisfied and happy with his wristwatch, and that wristwatch had worked very nicely. Means it was not so slow, not so fast, it was giving appropriate time. So the author was very happy, and he said that my beautiful watch, means he liked that watch also, and for 18 months it worked very nicely. I start believing on my watch completely, thinking it will obviously show correct time, and thought that it will never be damaged. And one day I forgot to spin the key of the watch and it damaged. So in the past days, what we used to have in the watches, we have to just spin the key of the watch, then only it gives the correct time. So author was in the impression, means in 18 months he became habitual of that thing. Then he was quite habitual that the watch will give the perfect time always. But what happened, one day he just forgot to spin the key means along with the dial you might have seen a very small screw type of thing, that is called the key of the watch. So when he forgot, from there the trouble begins. Means the watch got damaged. So author is saying that I became sad as it was pointing towards some bad happenings. So when the loving thing got damaged, then everyone becomes the depressed one. So the same thing happened with the author also. he just become depressed because he was just thinking just that something bad is happening with him. But slowly I became happy thinking my watch can be repaired. So he was having that hope that his watch can be easily repaired. So everyone thinks of the same thing. So he also went to the watch jobber to get it repaired and repaired it in my thoughts and said to my superstition that go. So author is saying that it was his confusion because in his imagination only he had repaired the watch, and the superstition means the negativity which was coming in his mind that it can't be repaired. So he just asked, or he just gave away that idea. Okay. So this is just the beginning of the thing which the author is discussing with us. Now next day I went to watch vendor to get my watch repaired, and suddenly the main member of the shop took the watch from my hands and started repairing it in front of me. So as usual, the author also went to the clock jobber and to get his watch repaired. And what does a person do in his shop? He just take the watch which is to be repaired from the customer and start repairing it. So the watchmaker also started doing the same thing. Then he said that it is 4 minutes late, we have to increase its time. So he just diagnosed the problem in the watch and revealed that the watch is 4 minutes late. I wanted to tell him that my watch tells correct time, but no, he didn't listen to me, and he knew the only thing that watch is 4 minutes late and he have to put the time leveler on its correct place. So the author tried to convince the watch jobber that the watch gives the correct time, but he was not convinced at all with the author, and he just fixed in his mind that he has to correct the time of the watch. I tried many a times to tell him, but he had done this shameful work very peacefully and changed its time. Now my watch became fast. So the author was convinced that the watch gives a perfect time, and only one day he just forgot to spin the key of that, and due to that only the problem arises. But when he went to the watchmaker, then what happened? Then he just changed its time, and from there the author started facing problem related to his watch. The watch became faster, 4 minutes faster from the usual time. Now let us see how the author resolves his problem. It started becoming faster and faster day by day, and by the end of the week it just looked like it had a higher fever because it reached to the highest speed, and its hands moved at the speed of 105. After 1 month it had left all the modern watches back as it was 15 days ahead. It went to November and started enjoying the winters, and on the other hand it was really October and everyone was enjoying the autumn season. So the watch was getting faster day by day, and within a month, within a week even, it just became very fast, and the author think that as if it has become sick, it had got high fever. Then what happened? Then within a month it became 15 days fast, and then gradually the watch was showing the month of November, the winter season, and the other watches of the world were showing a month of October and autumn season only. So this was quite painful for the author. The time to pay the rent and other expenses so fast as the writer became unable to pay all these expenses. So it becomes so fast that the watch passed 1 month very easily and very fastly. So on the next day, what happened? The date of paying the rent of the house, it shows. So that was very terrible for the author. It means the watch was not at all in a perfect situation. Let us see how did the author cope up with this situation. Then I watched to another watch mender. I want to ask the watch mender that if I had repaired it before this time. I said to myself that no, my watch had not needed before this time the repairing. So he went to the watch mender. Then again the author went to the watch mender, and he has intended that if anybody will ask him that whether the watch has ever visited another watch mender before, then he will be answering that no, this is the very first time that he has brought the watch to get it repaired here. The watch mender looked at me with excitement and took my watch from my hands and opened it. So again, the author was looking towards the watch mender that what he is doing. He just took that watch from author's hand and opened it immediately. He put lens in his eyes and looked into the machine of the watch. He said that the watch not only needs repairing, but it needs some oiling and cleaning, so please come after a week. So the clock mender had given a time of 1 week to the author, because he had said that the clock not only requires the repairing work, but it is requiring some sort of oiling and cleaning also, and then after he had assured that the clock will work perfectly. So again the author got some hope that after this repairing work he will again have the beautiful watch and it will work nicely. So let us see what happened afterwards. After cleaning my watch, it became so slow as it changed my all timings of all activities, like my dinner. It became slow once tomorrow, and slowly it became slow for a week, and I was thinking that I was living in the present time, but because of the watch showing wrong time, I was 1 week past. I thought that a died man and I were same, so we can talk with each other. So here the author is saying that he just followed the watch because after collecting the watch from the job mender, he was sure that the clock is working nicely. Okay, then what happened? Then he just didn't notice that the clock is moving slowly. That watch was showing the time slower than the other actual time clocks. So he was living in the past world. He began to live in the past world. So when the author realized that he is moving in the past world just because of his watch, then he is saying that he can talk to the dead man, because dead person are also the part of the past. Okay, now let us see in this situation what did the author do. Now I again went to a watch mender and I was waiting there quietly. Till then he took the watch carefully from my hands and said that the barrel of my watch is damaged. So third time the watch mender has complained, means another watch mender, means third time the author has gone to the watch mender, and this third person has said that in this watch there is a problem, that the barrel of it is damaged and it requires repairing. Then let us see what happened. He said that he will repair the watch in 3 days only. After that the watch started telling correct time, but it was not very much improved. Then the watch mender gave 3 days time to repair the watch to the author, And after 3 days, when the author collected the watch, then what happened? Then the watch started showing the correct time, but that was not for the permanent. Until half day, the watch went on irritating me, and it started making different types of sound, like the barking of dog, sound of sneezing and coughing, and sound made from noses. And by this problem of my watch, I was unable to listen to the sound of my thinking, and only thought that any other watch cannot compare with my watch in making such sounds. Here the author is getting irritated on the half of the day after bringing the watch from the watch vendor, because it started creating various kind of irritating noises, just like the noise of coughing, sneezing and barking of the dogs. Okay, let us see what happened next. And the remaining half day, the watch went on becoming slow and irritating me. When it left all the watches behind in showing time, it will become so slow as the other watches came equal to it, because of the reason no more than it requires repairing again, because it becomes very slow on the rest of the half day, and it just left the other watches behind, because as it was the author's watch, and therefore no one could dare to say that this watch is not working properly, because the watch, what the watch was doing and what actually was happening with the watch was that first of all it just moved very fast, and then it stops, and when the other watches showed the same time, then again it started moving fast. So in this manner the author wants to say that the watch is not working properly, is cannot be said for the watch, and had bore all its responsibility, because the watch was moving, means showing the time, so it is bearing all the responsibilities, so it can't be said that it is not working accordingly. Okay, let us see what happens next in the essay. But showing correct time is a simple quality of a watch, and I again went to a watch mender. He told me that a bolt named King Bolt is broken in my watch. So fourth time again the author had taken his watch to the watch jobber, watch mender, and there the watch mender had recognized the problem, and he said that a bolt in the watch is broken and that requires to be mended. Okay, so let us see what happened. I said that I am happy that there is no big loss. I am telling you the correct thing, that really I don't know what is King Bolt. So actually the author doesn't want to reveal the secret that what actually King Bolt is. He himself doesn't know what part is being called King Bolt in the watch. But I don't want to show a stranger that I don't know a simple thing. He repaired King Bolt, but as much my watch get profit, as much it get loss. Means here the author is trying to say that the watch mender had repaired the King Bolt of the watch also, but here the watch has been repaired by the clock mender, so it has got the profit, but again it had got the loss. What sort of loss? It moved for some time and then stopped, and then between time it decided by its own opinion. So what sort of profit the watch has got? It got properly repaired by the King Bolt side. Okay, but what sort of loss it has got? Means it just moved for some time, then again it stopped, and in between the time from the fast and slow, it just decide by its own that what the watch has to do. Now let us see how did the author come up with this problem. The words continued to stop and start, and when it stopped to react like a pistol. Some days I went on using that waist watch, and one day I lost my patience and went to another watch mender. So ultimately, author got tired of visiting watch menders, and again he went to one more watch mender. Okay, what happens there? He took the watch from my hands and opened it upside down and saw it his lens, and after doing all these mischiefs, he said that the narrow strip is damaged. He repaired and let me start my voice from the new corner. I was all well, but when it was time to come on 10, its hands stuck with each other. Okay, so this time means fifth time the clock mender had repaired the watch, and he had discovered that the narrow strip of the watch is damaged, and he repaired it. But what happened? This time the clock shows the perfect time, but at 10 o'clock its hands, minute hand and hour hand, got stuck with each other, and it just was unable to move or show the time afterwards. Let us see what did the author do to cope up with this situation. And after studying, the both started moving together, and in this whole world even the oldest man cannot tell the time by seeing in this watch. So to see the correct time, I went to another watchmaker. Means after stucking both the hands, as we know that earlier the watch had the problem that it moves very nicely, and but at 10 o'clock both the hands get stuck. So here after stucking, what the time the watch shows, no one can tell, because they started moving, but the time becomes different from the rest of the other watches in the world. Therefore, to solve that problem, again the author had to go to the watch mender. And this watch mender tell me that the mirror of my watch is lowering and its main spring is wobbly. So means this time the watch mender had informed the author that the mirror of his watch and the spring of his watch is wobbly, and it requires to be repaired. And therefore the watch jobber repaired these two things, and after this my watch again started telling correct time. So after this, what happened? After this, the author's watch again telling the exact time. Okay, after working in the right way for 8 hours, it started showing some problems and made sound like a honeybee. So after getting it repaired from the job mender, then what happened? For 8 hours the watch showed time correctly, and after that what happens? It again started producing sound like a honeybee. Its hands started moving in the speed that I was unable to recognize which is the hour hand and which is the minute hand, and it looked like a spider's web narrow string, because we can only see a glimpse of them. Only in 6 to 7 minutes it crossed 24 hours and made a loud sound, then stopped. Okay, so this time what is happening with the watch is the hands of the watch, minute hand and hour hand, both are moving in a very high speed, and therefore the author was unable to see their movement even. So the time, for the time he can't even imagine that it will show the correct time. Then the hands, it was very difficult to recognize the hands even, that which one is minute hand and which one is hour hand, because both the hands were moving in a very high speed, and the hands of the watch were looking like as if the web of the watch, web of the spider. Okay, then one more thing happens with the watch is the As we know that both the hands of the watch, minute hand and hour hand, were moving very fast. Therefore, the speed here the author has told us that within 6 to 7 minutes it crossed 24 hours. Means within 6 to 7 years it just crossed the whole day's time. Okay. So then again with a loud sound it stopped working. Let us see what will the author do next. Taking a heavy heart, I went to another watch vendor. So again, he went to the watch vendor and seen it until he made many wishes of my watch, and I was ready there to argue with that watch vendor because he was making my watch very serious really, but the watch was $200, means this is the cost of the watch. So here according to the author the actual cost of the watch was $200, but here when the author has brought his watch to get it repaired this time to another watch vendor, and he has told many complexities with the watch, and therefore he will be charging a lot to get that watch repaired. And for repairing it I spent $2,000 to $3,000 because many a times the author had visited the watch vendors, and therefore he had to spend a lot to get that watch repaired. When I was waiting there, I recognized the watch vendor as my old relative. So when he was waiting to get the watch repaired, then he recognized the watch vendor that he was actually the old relative of the author. The engineer of steamboat, but not a good one. Means he knew his talent, and he said that he was an engineer of the old boat, but he could not mend the things in a proper way. Means basically he was a clock bender, but here a sort of something, some sort of phrase he has used, and he is saying that he was the engineer of old boat. Means he was an engineer for a very long time, but he cannot repair the things in their proper way. He tested all the parts of the watch and another watch vendors, and with his belief he told me the result. So he just go through the watch very nicely and then very minutely, and then declared the result, means what is the actual problem of the watch. Let's see what was the problem. He said that this watch makes a lot of steam. You have to hang a monkey wrench on it. So that watch vendor told him that this watch makes a lot of steam, means it gets heat, and therefore it produces steam, and therefore some sort of monkey wrench needs to be hung on it. Suddenly I took it from his hands and threw it with force on the ground. Then what happens? Then the author got extremely irritated, and what he did, what was his reaction after listening to this, is he just took the watch from the watch vendor, and what he did, he just threw that watch on the ground with a very proper force. Okay, let us see what happened then next. My uncle William used to say that a good horse keeps being a good horse till then it is used for running. So he just remember his uncle saying that his uncle used to say that a good horse is good till the time when it keep on running, and a good watch keeps being good till then it goes in the hands of a watch repairer. So this was the view of his uncle Williams, that as the horse remains good till the time it can run properly, in the same manner the watch shows time perfectly before it visits to the watch vendor, and once if it visits to the watch vendor, and after that it just get spoiled. He didn't know what is the need to give the watch to the watch vendors. because he didn't knew that the first watch vendor was a snake charmer, second was a gun repairer, third was a shoemaker, and the last was an engineer. So how do they know how to repair a watch? But no one told me about that. So by looking towards the skills of the various watch vendors, here the author has given certain professions to them, to the watch vendors, and he said he was not aware of these skills, therefore he had got his watch spoiled, and ultimately he just threw away that watch. So this is all the essay, all about the essay of Mark Twain. Now let us discuss the summary of the essay once more, so that all the incidents will be more clear to you. So the summary is, the author had a beautiful watch which showed correct time until 18 months, and because of this author was having pride on his watch. But because of this reason he started thinking that he is fortunate. After 18 months the watch started irritating the narrator. First he went to many watch menders and they tried to mend the watch, but they couldn't. And in the end he left the wish to mend the watch, and at last he thought that the price of the watch was only $200, but he spent $2,000 to $3,000 in repairing it. And he also thought, which kind of mistake was that? Means he could not identify that whose mistake was there, either the author, that he had taken his watch to get it repaired, or the mistake of the watch vendor who had spoiled the watch, and ultimately the author had to be apart from the watch. Okay, so this is all the summary of the essay. Now students, you all have experienced the pains of Mark Twain regarding his own dear watch. Means how he has to visit, how many times he has to visit the watch shops to get his watch repaired, and then also he did not got satisfied, and in the end he has to just postpone the idea of repairing his own watch. Ultimately he just gave up that